The power of the Great Liao Dynasty has run out, and the heavenly demon star and various demons and monsters have reincarnated and descended to Earth to cause chaos. The descendants of the imperial family have traveled to the Great Liao, protected by the yellow dragon divine beast, experiencing the ups and downs of the world, enduring hardships, slaying demons, and rebuilding the Great Liao in the western regions. Chapter 1. Wife Seizing. You are listening at Novel Full. Audio. De co lois ara trong quatrin lay text. Chapter 2. Destruction of Huanglong Pagoda. You are listening at Novel Full. Audio. De co lois ara trong quatrin lay text. Chapter 3. Auspicious omens. You are listening at Novel Full. Audio. De co lois ara trong quatrin lay text. Chapter 4. The Way of Treacherous Ministers. You are listening at Novel Full. Audio. De co lois ara trong quatrin lay text. Chapter 5. Assassination. You are listening at Novel Full. Audio. De co lois ara trong quatrin lay text. Chapter 6. Another Assassination. You are listening at Novel Full. Audio. De co lois ara trong quatrin lay text. Chapter 7. Separation of Injury. You are listening at Novel Full. Audio. De co lois ara trong quatrin lay text. Chapter 8. Bloody Storm. You are listening at Novel Full. Audio. De co lois ara trong quatrin lay text. Chapter 9. Battle of the Beast King. You are listening at Novel Full. Audio. De co lois ara trong quatrin lay text. Chapter 10. Erdou Beast King. You are listening at Novel Full. Audio. De co lois ara trong quatrin lay text.